I got one in my pocket.
He's done with the guy now. Yeah, for the gate, yeah. Yep. Let me put you on speaker. I'm gonna put you on speaker.
Put a blue wire nut on it.
So what is it? You're on speaker.
All right. If you open that door and you look in front of you, you should see two wires. I think I'm going back a long time now. A green and white wire with like a blue and orange wire nut on it.
So there's a white there's a white and black. There's a white with 3 blacks with the nut, and then there's a green with 3 reds.
Wait a minute. Yeah, you're way ahead.
Yeah. And then there's
no, there should be one off it.
And then there's one that's hanging. There's one that's hanging from the bottom that's red and black that's tied off together.
That might be it. Hey, you know what? FaceTime me. I'll just look at it.
Yeah. Is this the one hanging here?
I see myself.
Oh, still loading.
There you go. All right, what do you got?
So there's the one hanging here, and then the one's in there.
Don't worry about those. The one that's hanging, let me look to your left. Oh, I don't remember those that color, but I guess that's...
Unless there's a green and white in the box there.
Nah.
That's the loop
pretty
stuff.
accessible.
Yeah, I mean, this is the most accessible one here.
Yeah, just pull those two apart.
Yeah.
Are the beams still lit up? Is the color still up on the arm itself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there? Do we have to
stretch right
Split it apart?
Yeah, they're apart.
All right. Just take while they're apart. Just take it, touch them again.
There it goes. What's your head?
It's going down.
Okay. All right. Cool. That's what we're supposed to do.
Just so leave those separate. That activates
I
them.
think so. Yeah. And then what? If you put them back together, it'll just go up.
Yes. Yes.
Hold on. Let me see if the remote works now. All right. So I'm pulling up to the. All right.
So
Good to go.
All right. So and the button works. So.
Yep.
All right. All right. All right. Yeah, I think that's it.
Yeah, so that's really it. So I think all this stuff, what are you hooking up to, or just testing a DSX system, or what?
No, I don't know. I think he just wanted to know how to operate it in
'Cause I
case
get-
because he's got to hand out the fobs and stuff.
Yeah, that's as manual as it gets.
Yeah. Yeah. All right.
Perfect.
All right. Cool.
All right.
But what I would do, just tell him. I mean, I would, before you do that, just run it, open, close. That thing,
Yeah.
Okay.
it's hydraulic. You know what
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Perfect. All right.
All right,
Good.
got it.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you.
I mean?
All right.
That's excellent. All
Cool.
right. That's excellent. All right. That's perfect.
All right. So we're good.
I don't know if I'm going to regret or love this here. Ay, ay, ay. There it goes. Yeah, I think it hit the bottom that time.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right. That's great. All right. Appreciate it. What was your name again?
Matt.
Matt. Thank you, Matt.
Cool.
All right, Matt. I'll take, I got a video of everything you did here, so I think I can handle it myself next time.
Yeah. Yeah. And like I said, if you want to get a monitor and.
Oh, I am. You know, I have one sitting at the other
Yeah.
building that somebody tossed out. It's got a crack in the
An old
screen.
computer monitor would work.
Yeah, I just think it's cracked. Somebody left it out for junk. So,
Give it a shot.
all right. Thank you, Matt. Appreciate it. Have a good day. Yeah. Let me let you in here. Let me close this damn thing. Okay. nice if you got a $20,000 purchase.